semi-final match here with FIDE World Blitz Championship 2025 within top 4. So it means without first game from this fight of these faces here with Netherlands with International Master Elin Roberts by faces by versus by Ukraine by Grandmaster Anna Muzichuk. So it means without first game we did score from tie all 1.0. So if you win of this shot, we'll proceed of this finals. Within next second game, within between from this Grandmaster in China, Zhu Junior by faces versus by Grandmaster in Kazakhstan, Baby Sara Asabayeva. So it means, so what happened with Zhu with score with 0? So it means without wins of this shot with Kazakhstan, so it means if you win, we'll proceed of this one with phases 2 of this finals. So what do you think of this one with study of this, analyze of these chess games within semifinals here? So let's see of this one with puzzles here. White pieces with Anna Muzichuk versus black pieces by Elin Roberts from Netherlands here. So it means without first game here, without standings, within semifinals, within top 4 with blitz. So white plays Muzichuk is e4, knight f6 by Roberts, e5, Alekhine's defense. So it means because these are the moves with e5, without threats the knights because with black knights with Elin Roberts here. And move by Roberts is knight to d5 here, and also d4, d6 without attacks this pawn, and also c4 attacks with disturbance with knights, and also knight b6 with Roberts here, and also capture takes, and also bishop e3. So it is called by this one by Alekhine's defense exchange variations here, and also pawn g6 by Roberts by next dark square by bishop to g7 here by before preparing castling here, and also Muzichuk knight f3 here, and also bishop g7 by Roberts without preparing by next castling kingside here, and also h3 without no more by bishop to g4 because these are done connecting the one pass pawn with Muzichuk here, and without Roberts by castling kingside, and also bishop e2. So it means it is okay by normals without bishop e2. So it means, so this is a given bad move, so that's not one of this computer engine by Muzichuk. So the one's computer the best is queen d2. So queen d2 is a best shot here of this ones of this computer engine. So this is a goods for whites by advantage here. Okay, so back there, this one is bishop e2 by Muzichuk by upcoming by next castling kingside here, and Roberts by move by this one by knight to c6 here, and also knight c3 by Muzichuk, and also bishop to f5 without controls by this one with Roberts here because these are the moving by this one with connecting the light square without bishop f5 with Roberts without plannings to do that to focusing by concentrations. And also rook c1 by Muzichuk, and also rook c8. So it means without rook c8, without more by this one with rook c files here. So it means, so the best move this one is without push to d5. So push d5 is a best move from this one with Roberts here. So if you move, so it means because this d5 here without attacks this one with c4 without pawns. So if you move by b3 without defense the pawns with c4 here, and also pawn to e5. So pawn e5 is a right move of this computer. So this is a goods for blacks here. So these are a continuations here. Okay. So back there, this one is rook c8 by Roberts here. So it means bad move. And also castling kingside by Muzichuk, and also pawn h6. So it means without no more by bishop to g5 here. So it means another bad move by Roberts. So it means without d5 is a miss move from this one. So d5 is, d5. So d5 is a miss from this one by computer engine. So it means d5 again. So it means next by this one with h6 here with Roberts here, and excelente by good move by Muzichuk is push d5. This is a strong move from with white pieces with Anna Muzichuk here without threats the knights, and also knight b8 by Roberts. So what the plans, or next by exchange by this one with knight a6 here. And also b3 without defense by c4, and also g5, knight d4. So it means, so talk about novelty. So it means g5 is a no more book lines by rovers, because knight a6 is a old main knights by database here. So it means g5 novelty by rovers here. And also so it means g5 by next by counters with g4. So g4 by next move. And also knight d4 by Musichuk with the threats the bishop, bishop g6 by rovers, and also bishop d3 without counters by light square, without attacks by same without bishop to bishop, and also queen d7 by rovers, bishop captured, takes, and also knight e6 strong move by Musichuk without double with rooks with threats the bishops here. So this is a double attacks. And also rook f7 without ignorance by rovers, without idea, without next by rook to e8. So it means, so do not move this one by rook f8, because these are the targets here with knights here. So rook f7 by rovers, and also queen d3 by this one with Musichuk here, and also proxy active king h7 by this one by rovers here. And also knight e4 by this one with Musichuk, without idea by threatening pawns, captured sacrifice here by Musichuk. Very strong move here. And rovers by move by this one is rook f5 without defense the pawns here. And also a4 without plannings by Musichuk, next by pawn a5 strong move without threatening the knights here. And also knight a6, so very good precise here by Eileen rovers here, and strong by Musichuk, pawn a5 attacks with knights here. And also knight a8. Okay, knight a8 here, and also bishop d4 without dark square, without bishop to bishop, and bishop e5. So it means, so if you captured the bishop captured without dark square, bishop takes d4, and also queen captured, and also rook e5. So this is a new controls by according this one by computer engine. So this is a good example, because these are the situations. So it means these are the continuations of this one with connected of this one with chess here. Okay, so back there, this one is bishop e5 without controls by this one, without defense here by rovers, and also pawn g4 disturbance by threats the rooks, rook backwards f7 by rovers, and also queen e3 by Musichuk, and also knight hc7 without attacks these knights. So without more by knight hc7 by rovers here. So the first guessing puzzle. So what do you think about the strong perfect without good brains with Grandmaster Anna Musichuk? Fine first brilliant sacrifice with captured within once of this computer. So the first guessing puzzles here. So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here, and congrats for everyone. Boom! Knight 4 takes g5 check. Brilliant sacrifice, strong move. So look at the highest evaluation bar with white. So it means very strong perfect by highest average here. So it means if you captured with knights here, so it means, and also knight captured with check. So it means traps the rooks here. So it means without knight 4 takes g5 check, without check here, so it means traps here with rooks here. And rovers by this one, h takes g5 with sacrifice with knights, and continuous knight captured g5 check. So without check here, so it means rooks trap. very controls from within strong move by knights with Musichuk here. And rovers by this one is king to g8 here, and also bishop captured. For example, so why don't we continue knight captured rook? Knight takes f7 here. So it means knight captured f7 without rooks here. And also, king takes f7 with knights here without sacrifice. And also, queen f3 without continues with check. If you king g7, and also bishop captured here without checks here. And d takes captured. So this is a good examples here. So this is a one of these determinations by this one with computer here. Okay, so back there this one with bishop captured by Musichuk here, and continuous here without bishop captured e5. Takes by this one with captured pawn with Elin Roberts, and continuous with Musichuk is knight captured rook, one rook down with Elin Roberts here. King captured and queen takes e5. So it means, why don't we continue with check? Queen f3 check. And also king to g8. I mean king g7, sorry. Sorry, I got wrong brains in this concentration with notes here. So I'm sorry, I got wrong notes. So it means king g7 and also rook to e1. Rook fe1. So rook fe1 with threats the pawns. So it means if you threats the pawns and queen d6 here. Defense here. So this is a examples here by this one is computer. I'm sorry I got wrong my idea with notes because I cannot take the bath because I'm very tired of this one with sleeping. So it means so back there this one with queen captured with Musichuk here, and also queen d6 by Roberts without queen to queen, and also rook fe1 and also knight c5. So it means, so why don't we try queen to queen? If you queen takes e5, rook captured, battery with the threats the next by battery here. So it means, if you defense here, rook e8, and also battery. So this is a battery here. So it means these are the controls from these examples. So this is a good examples by computer. So it means knight c5 by Roberts here, and also rook c3 here by Musichuk without idea by triple battery by rook e3, because these are the first queen, second by rook, third rooks here. So it means triple battery here. And decided by continuous by accepted by queen takes accepted by Roberts, rook captured, and also king f6 by Roberts with the threats the rooks, rook backwards e2 by Musichuk, or maybe without continuous by battery. Without battery by this one with next move. And also rook e8 by Roberts, and also pawn b4 by Musichuk threatening the knights, knight d7, and also rook f3 check, and also king g7 by Roberts, battery rook fe3 by Musichuk here, or maybe without next by pawn f4 here. And also pawn e5 by Roberts without threats the, or not threats, so it means very move from with pawns with e5 here. And Musichuk by Empasat captured without threats the knights, and knight f6 by Roberts. So it means, so do not capture knight captured, knight captured pawn. And also rook captured. So rook takes e6. So if you rook captured and rook captured. So it means white rooks by Musichuk and bad knights with Elin Roberts. So it means, so beware of this one with captured. So later on this one with captured, we need to focus by concentrations in chess. Without decided by Roberts is knight f6 without no more by this one with captured within ignorance with knights with, because so never by this one with captured by pawns with knights here. And also pawn f4 by Musichuk, pawn b6 by Roberts without attacks this pawn, captured, and also f5 captured again, captured, and also knight h5 by this one with Elin Roberts So what the plans or next move by this one, knight f4 without threats the rooks or threats the pawns, double attacks here. And also rook d2 without no more by this one with knight f4 here, because these are the rook d2 with Muzychuk. By next upcoming by this one by rook d7. So rook d7 without upcoming this one with check here. And reverse this one is rook e7 without no more by rook e7 here, because these are the movement by rook e7. And also rook d7 continue by Muzychuk, very strong move here. And also king f6, because so these are the rooks with threats here with pins, without continue king f6 here by reverse here. And also battery rook ad3 again, and also knight a6 without idea without threats attacks this pawn b4 here. And also rook takes accepted by Muzychuk, king takes, and another continue Muzychuk rook d7 check without check. So it means so one rook only by this one by Muzychuk and two minor pieces with knights with Eileen Roberts. So it means two bad knights here. So knights versus rook. Rook d7 check, king e8 by Roberts, pawn b5 attacks the knights, knight c5 threatening the rooks, rook d6 with the pressure by this one with threats with pawn b6 here. And also knight g3 without threats the pawns with f5, and also f6 without movement by Muzychuk, and also knight ge4 without idea without threats the rooks or pawns, because these are the move by knight to e4 with Eileen Roberts here. And also decided strong by Muzychuk is f7 check, and also king e7 threats the rooks, rook captured pawns, and also knight g5. So it means so 13 seconds by Anna Muzychuk and 6 seconds by Eileen Roberts. So it means 9 seconds. So knight g5, rook c6 attacks the knights, knight captured, she takes e6 without idea without defense the knights, b6 without strong move. So it means almost by promotes by this one with queens by this Anna Muzychuk here. And also king captured f7 with pawns, and rook c7 check, another second brilliant sacrifice move from Anna Muzychuk without check here, without check, and king e8, and last pawn b7 without decided. Eileen Roberts resigns. Why? Because if you knight captured, rook only move, and b8 queen, so it means unstoppable by this one wins for whites here. Okay, so the score with Anna Muzychuk 2 points, so it means 2 points, and the score from this Eileen Roberts 1 point, so it means 2.5. So 2.5 by Anna Muzychuk and score by Eileen Roberts 1.5. So it means so congratulations Grandmaster Anna Muzychuk by proceed of this one by finals by World Blitz. Okay, so the next of the second with games within semi-finals between Grandmaster Zhuzhner versus Grandmaster Bibisara Asabayeva. So next proceed of this one by second games. Next second game by this one, white pieces by Zhu versus black with Bibisara Asabayeva here. So white plays Zhu is d4, knight f6 by Bibisara, d4, g6, so it means without upcoming by dark square bishop to g7 before castling, and also knight c3 by Zhu, and also bishop g7 by Bibisara without next by castling, and also e4, so it means without triple pawns, without three connected pass pawn, without next by e5, without strong move by push with white pawns, and also pawn d6 without no more by e5, without no more by e5 here, and also bishop e2, castling by Bibisara, and also bishop e3. It is called by openings with King's Indian Defense semi-overback system. So it means semi-overback. And also e5 with a threats the pawns, push by Zhu Junior by d5, and also knight a6 because so these are the push d5 without no more by knight to c6 here. So it means these are the no more here because these are the d5 by connected the pass pawn here. Without idea with the Bimbisara is knight a6 here by movement here, and also knight f3 by Zhu with the upcoming by next castling, and also knight to c5. So it means without next move, so it means that's not one of this computer by Bimbisara. So the best move this one is knight to g4. Oh, knight g4. So knight g4 is a best move. So knight g4 is a right of this computer, so it means with the threats the bishop. So it means this is a good slightly better for blacks here. Okay. So back to this one, knight c5 by Bimbisara here, and also good move knight d2 by Zhu. So what the plans with Zhu with that next by knight to b3 here, or not yet ready by castling. With that castling king side here, and also pawn a5 by strong move by Bimbisara, and also g4. What a perfect shot by Zhu. So it means with that next by rook g1, with that next by strong by this one with g5, or next by this one h4. So it means h4 is a next move from this strong by counters white pieces here. And also bishop d7 by Bimbisara, g5. What the best excellent by Zhu Junior here. And also knight e8 ignorance here by this one with Bimbisara, and also h4 strong move. So once of this one in this computer, so it means h4 by Zhu, and also pawn c6 by Bimbisara. So it means these are the attacks, this one with d5, and also h5 strong move. So it means with that idea with Zhu, with counters attacks, with threats the pawns, with semi-close with h6. So this is a strong move here. And also without captured with Bimbisara, captured, and also strong a4 by Bimbisara, very good precise here. And also king f1, what happened by Zhu? So it means so king f1, so it means so this is a poison move, so it means given bad move. So the best move this one is pawn to h6 strong move. So it means very miss her move by this one with Zhu. So it means with the threats the bishops here, so it means how do you control with that bishop with that black bad bishops here? So if you backwards by bishop h8 here, and also pawn to b4. Okay, pawn b4 with the threats the knights. So if you emphasize captured, wait. Wait. Okay, so b4. So if you emphasize captured, so emphasize captured, a takes b3 here, and also captured. So this is a upcoming by this one with rook to rook. So this is a once of this computer, so slightly better for whites and blacks here. Okay, so back to this one is king f1 by Zhu, and also pawn f5. Okay, so pawn f5 is a move of this controls from this one with strong by Bimbisara, emphasize captured by Zhu, and also knight takes. So this is a no more found in this book line by Bimbisara. So this is a old main lines by first database, bishop captured. So it means bishop captured. Second, rook captured. Third, queen captured. So this is a 3 of this main lines with captured. With fourth, this one is knight to f6. So this is a novelty. So novelty from this one with Bimbisara here. And also captured, takes, and also bishop captured, and also bishop c4 by Zhu, and also queen e8 by Bimbisara here, and also d6 check, another good move. So it means without openings with d6, so it means bishop without checks here, and also without bishop e6, without bishop to bishop, without coverings here by defense, and also queen e2. So it means, so why don't we try bishop captured with continues with the checks here, and also queen takes captured. So this is a good slightly examples here. Okay, so back there, this one is queen e2 by Zhugener and also rook d8. So it means, wait, okay, rook d8 here. So it means without rook d8, so it means these are the continuous here without rook d8, without more by this one with rook e5. So it means, so this is a what? So this is a does not want of this computer. So it means bad move. So it means, so the one's computer the best is knight to h5 here. So knight h5 is a best move here. So the ones of this computer, so this is a slightly better for blacks here. Okay, so back there, this one is rook d8 by this one by Bibisara, and also knight b5 without more by controls by defense the pawn. So it means bad move. So the best move, this one is knight to f3. So knight f3 here, not knight b6 here. So it means knight f3 is a best move. So this is a once of this computer, so slightly better for whites. Okay, so back there, this one is knight b5 by Zhu here by defense the pawns, and queen f7 by Bibisara, bishop captured, queen takes, and also rook h4, and also knight h5 by Bibisara, and also good move, queen c4 without queen to queen. Queen takes, bad move. So the best move, this one is knight to f4. So knight f4 here, so it means later from this one with queen to queen. So this is a good slightly better for blacks here. Okay, so back there, this one is queen takes accepted with Bibisara, knight captured, and also king f7 by this one with kings with Bibisara, rook d1 by Zhu, knight f4, good strong move, and also f3, pawn g5 threatening the rooks, rook backwards h2, king e6 without rook d active, another bad move by Bibisara. So the best move, this one, rook h8. So rook h8 here without rook to rook, if your rook takes accepted, and also rook takes h8. So this is a once of this computer, so it means without upcoming by rook h1 with checks here. So this is a once of this computer, so slightly better for blacks here. So it means, so back there, this one is king e6 by this one with Bibisara, and also knight c7 check, and also king f7, and also knight b6. So what happened by Zhu? So it means, so this is a poison move, so this is a bad move from this computer. So it means that the best one strong move is pawn d7, very strong move. So the miss move from this one with d7 with Zhu here. So this is a once of this computer by disadvantage for whites here. So back there, knight b6 by Zhu, g4 with a tres the pawns, another third, again bad move, Bibisara. So the miss is rook h8 again. So it means Bibisara, her miss by rook h8. So it means very forgot her by this one best move here. So back there, this one g4 without attacks with this f3 here, captured, king g6 by Bibisara, and also king e1, rook h8. Oh, look at C of this one by once of this computer, very late move. So it means rook h8 without rook to rook, and in accept by Zhu, rook takes, rook captured, and also d7, almost by promotes by this one with d8 queen. So it means wins for whites by Zhu. And also bishop f6 without no more by promotes this one with d8 queen, because these are the targets with bishop here. And also knight e6. What happened by Zhu? Blunderations. Blunderations by Zhugener. What happened? So this is a below evaluation bar. Woo, below evaluation bar here. So it means So the ones computed the best, this one is knight to cd5 here. So what happened by this one with Zhu here? So it means, so after this one, knight e6, so the last puzzle. So what do you think about the wins by proceed of this finals before resigns by China Grandmaster Zhu Zhiner? So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. Last move, knight takes captured, Zhu Zhiner resigns. So it means, so loss of this one by semifinals. I know Zhu Zhiner wins of this proceed of this finals. So the score by this one with Zhu 0. So it means Zhu cannot win of these points here. So it means that, so the score by Bibisar Azarbayeva 3 points. So congratulations Grandmaster Bibisar Azarbayeva, proceed of these finals by faces by Anna Muzychuk. So it means with that finals with Blitz by faces by 2 between Anna Muzychuk versus Bibisar Azarbayeva. So I will next have this one with analyze with finals with 1 games analyzed here. So after the finals, so next open Swiss within punching the tables with Blitz with Magnus Carlsen. So it means without open Swiss with Vasyl Ivanchuk with the 2 games here within open Swiss here. So I hope of this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Loge 17, aka Mark 17. Have a good day, keep safe, and keep updates of these next chess updates. Sayonara, bye bye.